Hey there, editors! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of neon glow effects. You'll learn how to create this glow from scratch using Alight Motion and Node Video. Now let's start the tutorial without wasting any more of your precious time. Want this? Open Alight Motion or After Motion and add the clip to which you want to add the glow effect.
Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I'm in love.
Now, export your clip and open Node Video. Try the tint effect and keep it if it looks good. I'm skipping it for this clip. You can also add the hue effect if you want to change the color of the glow. It's done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.